In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the debt paydown calculator in Origin Financial. Let's get started. The easiest way to calculate a debt payoff strategy is by using Origin's built-in AI advisor. Open the AI advisor chat inside the platform, then type a question about your debt plan. You can ask things like, what is the fastest way to pay off my debt? Should I use the avalanche or snowball method? Or how much interest will I save if I pay extra each month? Once you send your question, the AI advisor analyzes your connected debt accounts, current balances, and interest rates. It will then calculate estimated payoff timelines, compare repayment methods, and show how much money or interest you can save by changing your monthly payment amount. Another way to model debt reduction is through the forecasting section. Go to forecasting and create a what-if scenario based on increasing your monthly debt payments. After entering a higher contribution amount, Origin updates your long-term cash flow and net worth projections so you can clearly see how faster debt payments improve your financial future. Using both the AI advisor and forecasting tools together gives you a practical debt paydown calculator based on your real numbers instead of just generic estimates. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.